basically, I put in a brownie to soften up, get it warm, and I was having a conversation. I put it on for 50 seconds. Back to it.
For anybody who's got a birthday coming up, and if you're a fan of Michael Bolton, welcome to Steve Bolton. This is for you.
Happy birthday to you, my darling. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, nice. Good work, Stephen.
I forgot to get one for myself. How embarrassing. I'm going to get one now.
Rachel. You guys have a good time?
Yeah!
How do you find it? I love that. Really loved it.
Mate, I'm sweating my back off. Literally. But it was amazing. Canada did not disappoint me.
I left school at 16.
To be a dancer.
So today's been really good. I spent most of it sleeping, like an old dog. My dog's getting better. You're poorly dog. And gig was great. On to America. Hershey.
It tastes like Hershey's.
Yeah.
Also, everyone, remember, all you panickers, this, what you can see right now, Nathan Sykes & Co., will always happen on Wanted Wednesday. Always happen on the mailer. Wanted World, though, if you're going to be in the Wanted World, you're going to get some extra stuff. P.S. All this fun stuff's going to be filmed, so you're going to get extra things to be seen. So you're going to see me and Siva
Get shot in the face.
stalking someone, like, think of a hardcore fan.
Get shot in the back.
A hardcore who'd be good as an op. Shakina.
Get shot in the gut.
Shakina, hello. You would be a great SAS op because you're
Get shot in the teeth.
intimidating. And we would take you down.
Shakina,
We'd take
you
you down like Chinatown. Everyone who knows Shakina, you know, come on.
We're going to take you down.
Who wants to see a video for Shakina vs. The Wanted? She'd kill us, and we'd try and shoot her face off with paint. With paint.
Not bullets.
Absolutely not. No, pacifists, vegetarians.
Till it ceases, I'll never know
How do you get up from an all-time low?